Hello everyone, this is Deepa Parekh. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Learn Anywhere, Anytime. Today we'll start with question number 9, exercise 1.1 of the chapter number 1, that is integers. Question number 9 says, use the sign of less than or greater than or is equals to in the box to make the statements true. We will see this one by one. There are say 5 sums under this question. We'll start with the sub question 1 there. And the question says that -8 plus -4 dash. Matlab here you have to fill, is it less than or greater than -8 minus -4. So first we need to calculate what is the answer that we are getting here, and then we can decide whether this one is greater or this one is greater. So first let's calculate this part. -8 plus -4. We have learnt earlier, when we add two negative integers, -8 plus -4, we always get a negative integer. So that is 8 plus 4, or we can also say minus and minus becomes plus. So we get the answer as -12. Case here, -8 minus -4. So here what we'll do, -8. Here since it is minus and minus, minus becomes plus. So -8 plus 4, which is equals to 8 minus 8 and -4, which is 4. Since 8 is a bigger sign, we'll put it as minus sign. Okay. So here, which is bigger? -4 is bigger than -12. Why? Though -12 is a bigger number, since it has a minus sign, it is a negative integer, the greater we go in the minus sign, the value gets reduced. So here, -4 is greater than -12. So what would be the sign here? It is this sign. I hope it's clear to everyone. Next one, let's move to an sub question 2. Now what is the sub question 2 here? It's -3 plus 7 minus 19, say dash, and what's the next question asked? 15 minus 8 plus -9. So first let's start with this part. Here -3 plus 7 and -19. So what we'll do here is, we'll first add the two minus signs, that is -3 and -19. So what is -3 and -19? Always there will be a minus sign, that is for sure. Since both are minus, we need to add. So that is 19, 20, 21, 22. 22 plus 7. Okay. Now -22 plus 7. What is the difference here? Let's calculate. Say it's 2, 12, 5, carry 1 and 15. Since this is a negative sign, we will put here -15. Okay. Now let's calculate this side. I hope this is clear to everyone. I'll just show you if it is not clear. Say -3 plus 7 minus 19. So here we need to calculate first the minus sign. Since it is minus, how we'll do that? -3 minus 19 plus 7. So we'll just bring this 19 over here. It will be easy to calculate. Minus and minus becomes plus. So 19 plus 3. 19 plus 3 is 22. Since it is a minus sign, we'll put a minus sign. And then we'll bring down this 7 over here. That is plus 7. Now 22 minus 7. Since 2 is smaller, we'll need to borrow here. So this will become 1 and this will become 12. So 12 minus 7 is 5 and this 1 would be brought down. So we get the answer as 15. Now since the bigger number has a minus sign, this will be a minus sign. So here the same thing what we got here is minus 15. Now let's see about this side. Say 15 minus, since these two are minus, let's first subtract it, add it. So 15, 8 plus 9 is 15 again, 8, this would be 17. 15 minus 17, again what would be the sign? Minus 2. Why? Because this is positive and this is negative. 17 has a minus sign which is a bigger number, so the value will be minus 2. Since minus 2 is greater than minus 15, why? Because in negative integers we go the higher, the value gets decreased. So here minus 2 is greater than minus 15. So here what we get the answer as this one. Okay, I hope it's understood by everyone. Now let's see sub question number 3. What does it say? It says 23 minus 41 plus 11 dash, what's the other part there? 23 minus 41 minus 11. So let's calculate. This is very simple. That is 23 and 11. These two are positive figures. So we can bring this 11 over here, minus 41. So 3 plus 1 is 4. 2 plus 1 is 3. 34 minus 41. So let's calculate here. 41 minus 34. Since 1 is smaller, we'll need to borrow it from here. So this will become 3 and this will become 11. So 11 minus 14 is 7. What will be the answer here? Minus 7. Why minus 7? Because 41 is having a negative sign. That's why it's minus 7. Let's calculate this side. So here only one positive number, that is 23, minus, since these two are minus, we need to add. So that is 1 plus 1 is 2, 4 plus 1 is 5. So here 23 minus 52. 52 and 23. Since 2 is smaller, we need to borrow. 5 becomes 4, 2 becomes 12 here, and 9, 10. Here it will be 9 and here it will be 2, which is 29. Why minus again? Because here 52 is having a negative sign. So here in this case, we got the minus 7 in the first part and minus 29 in the second part. So which is greater here? This one. Next sub question is question number 4, and that is say 39 plus minus 24 minus 15, and would that be greater or less than 36 plus minus 52 minus 36. So first let's calculate this part. Here, since these two are negative, let's first add those. So here it will be 39, and since this is a negative here, 5 plus 4 is 9 and 2 plus 1 is 3. Since both are negative sign, we'll put here a negative sign. 39 minus 39, simple answer is 0. Now let's see this part. Here this is say 36. Now this is say plus and minus, so this will be minus here. Here minus and minus 36. So we have studied earlier when there are two minus together it becomes a plus. So here minus and minus becomes plus. So this will be positive 36 minus 52. Did you understand how did I take? Once again I'll say 36 brought down here. Since there are two negative signs here, negative and negative becomes positive. So this 36 will be a positive 36 and this minus 52 we brought down here. Okay, I hope it is clear now. Now calculating this, 36 plus 36, 6 plus 6 is 12, carry 1, 3 plus 3 is 6, carry 1 is that is 7, 72 minus 52. So subtracting this, 0, 2 minus 2 is 0 and 7 minus 5 is 2, 20. So since 20 is greater than 0, the answer would be greater sign. I hope this is clear to everyone. Yeah, this is 39 minus 39, which is 0. Why minus 39? Because these two had negative signs. So we added those two and put a negative sign here and the result was 0. Here what we did, 36 plus minus 52 minus minus 36. So since these two were minus, we added those two and this minus and plus, which is minus again. That's why we bought this minus 52 over here. Calculating this, 6 plus 6 is 12, carry 1, 3 plus 3 is 6, carry 1, 7, 72 minus 52. 2 and 2 is 0, 7 minus 5 is 2, 20. So since 20 is greater than 0, we put here a greater sign. I hope this is clear now. We'll see the last sub question of this question number 9. That is minus 231 plus 79 plus 51 is lesser or greater than minus 399 plus 159 plus 81. This seems to be very simple. Here, since this is a negative and these two are positive, simple we need to do is minus 231 plus 9 plus 1 is 10, carry 1, 7 plus 6, because 6, okay, we'll do 7 plus 5. 7 plus 5 is 12, 12 carry 1 is 13, 130. Now 231 minus 130, let's just calculate that. 231 minus 130. Why? Because one is having negative and one is having a positive sign. So say here 1, 3 minus 3 is 0 and 2 minus 1 is 1. Answer here is 101. Let's see this side now. Simple. This is minus 399 brought down over here, plus, since these two are positive, we need to add those two. 9 plus 1 is 10, carry 1, 8 and 5. 8 plus 5 is 13, 13 plus 1 is 14, carry 1, 5 plus 1 plus 1 is 2. So that is 399 minus 240. 9 minus 4 is 5 and 3 minus 2 is 1. That is 159. So which is greater? Okay, I'm so sorry. This would be minus and this would also be minus. I just missed out to put the minus sign here. But since the higher numbers are having the minus sign, these two numbers will also get the minus sign. So which is greater here? Minus 101 or minus 159? Yes, the answer is minus 101 is greater than minus 59, because in negative integers, the higher the numbers, the lower its value. I hope it's clear to everyone. If you have not subscribed my channel, request you all to please subscribe, like and share. I would also like to inform you all, if you have any queries, request you all to please put in the comment box and I'll surely help you to clear that. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.